If you watch the next 5 minutes of this video, you'll learn how to watercolor this super cool piece of artwork. Wait, but how could you watercolor in 5 minutes? It would take so much longer than that. If you watch to the end of this video, you'll learn how to watercolor this in 5 minutes. Welcome back to Nice Art Watercolors to Nature Projects. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification button to get notified when I post new cool videos on watercolors and nature projects. Thank you so much for watching Nice Art. If you liked this video and found it valuable, please subscribe for more videos like this. And comment below what you felt was the most valuable piece of advice that I gave. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.